So this question is given in the just 2013 examination. The question is, consider a particle with 3 possible spins. S is equal to 0 plus or minus 1. So spins are what? 0, minus 1, plus 1. Okay, and there is a magnetic field H present, and the energy for the spin state S is minus H. So energy for the spin state S is minus H. Okay, so when spin is equal to 0, the energy will be what? Energy will be 0. So let us write 1. When spin is equal to minus 1, the energy will be what? Minus and minus plus, it is Hs. When energy is equal to plus 1, the energy will be what? It is H minus into plus minus Hs. Next, the system is at temperature T. This is where when the temperature is T degree Kelvin. Which of the following statements is true about the entropy of the system? So which of the statement is true, we have to calculate. Here for 3 spins, what is the possibility of the particles having energy is three different energies are there, you know. So how many possibility? It is 3 possibilities are there when spin is equal to 0, minus 1 of the particles. Okay, so we know that entropy formula is K ln omega. So omega is this omega. So this is K ln 3. Okay, so this is where at temperature T the value is what? It is K ln 3. And when a temperature is 0, since in option at 0 degree Kelvin also they are discussing, no? So one is at temperature T and one is at temperature 0. So when temperature is not applied on the system, then what will happen? Then particles remain in their place, remain in their states. Okay, then what is the possibility in which they are already present? They will be in the same place, no? So omega will be in only one possibility, the existing possibility 1. So S at temperature 0 Kelvin is equal to K ln 1. Ln 1 value is 0, so S of 0. So here the value is what? For if we see the from the options, the answer S of T equal to 0 for T equal to 0 and ln 3 at high temperature T. So S of T equal to ln 3. So which option is correct? So D option is correct.